Hello again. Just a quick little look at how this starts in my album. So I had the first page was a 6x8, so the second page is a 6x8. Remember, I have plans to put something big here, that little Lego piece. So if you are going to include bigger things on your page, be that lots of layers, thickers, pop dots, or indeed Lego ornaments, just make sure that there's going to be room in the page protector. So if you can see there, I've cut the page to 6x8, but the page protector is actually slightly bigger, so there's a bit of a gap there. That's going to let me be able to put something inside there without it bending the page. So if you are creating your pages to go in page protectors, but you haven't put them in yet, quick, go check to make sure that you're going to have enough room that you don't need to be cutting your paper to a slightly different dimension. Because that is sold as a 6x8 page protector, but it's obviously slightly bigger because I have measured that paper when I cut it and it's 6x8. So there you go. The opposite happens too sometimes, especially with 3x4 pockets where they have to put extra seams into the page protector and you lose a little bit of the width, that then whatever goes in there might actually need to be slightly narrower than 3 inches. So just keep an eye on that in case you're not putting things straight into the page protector every day, so that you don't end up at the end with a big job that just kind of takes the fun out of it for you. Check it now and you'll be glad. Okay, so my plan with that one is that there's going to be photos to go along with that once we've opened more of the advent calendar and built more of the Lego ornaments. So I've put a divided page protector in here, 2 3x4 slots and 1 4x6 to give me enough room for those photos. And then today's entry needs to go on the back of that, so it needs to have the same dimensions. So I'm working with 2 3x4 and 1 4x6 spot. I'm going to use the top right 3x4 spot for a photo, and I'm just going to use a general Christmas decoration photo, and then have a 3x4 card here, a 4x6 card here. So I'm starting with the 4x6 card, which is going to hold my journaling and my number. So I have 4x6 in red, and I'm going to run this along the bottom of the card to hold my writing. Just keeping up with that tearing decision that it made. Let's see how long it takes me to tire of the torn journaling paper. But right now, I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. Number 3 in green, and that is from the Head in the Clouds cut apart with the numbers. It's going to come over here. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Okay, so photo's going to go there, and then this 3x4 card there. My journaling's going to go there. Nice and simple to put together, yeah? It's day 3. Our weather is rainy, but I can't cope any longer without the idea of bringing in one of my favorite Christmas journal supplies. It's just a snowflake punch that I use with plain vellum. So I think I've used that in the vast majority of my Christmas albums, and I just like it a lot. That's going to go there, and then let's have an enamel center. Let's do green, because I like how it matches the green in the middle there. It's almost like I did that on purpose or something. Oh, come on. There we go. And journaling going here. Now, I think we need a bit more sparkle, of course. Let's break out this green mist, because I think it might look really nice with the green in the enamel dots on number 3. bright. It's a little mad, but lovely. Okay, do a little bit down here at the bottom and the top. I might add some gold as well, but I'll wait until it dries so that I end up with the two distinct colors and not just everything falling together. And some gold glittery tape today. Half a snowflake up there at the top. I'm not sure how well this is going to stick on top of the washi tape, so we're going to try and see what happens. Oh, seems to stick fine. It's going to go just the tiniest bit off the top, but should still fit in the pocket fine. Which leaves me one more dot, which maybe I should save with one more snowflake to go on top of the photo. So I think what I need to do is get my camera in gear and get some photos of the decorations and things. They've lit up our village on the weekend. So that's going to go on top of a photo with that last dot. So little top tip, if you want to make plans like that where you're going to add in the photo, you can go ahead and put them in the pocket of your album so that you know what's there. So I'm going to do that, and then I wanted to do a little stamping down here. Not going to put any other big title on this one. Today's theme, we're talking about things that were meaningful, things that stick out. And in many of my journals I've written about different Christmas memories growing up, different stages of life. And what I wanted to focus on this year was something that is a beautiful gift that you know, I definitely did not appreciate as much at other times in my life, but I appreciate so much now, and those are the gifts of time. You know, the time of don't wrap something up, come help us with a project, or come bring a friend to play with Wonder Boy while we make dinner, or, you know, or do any of the number of jobs that need to be done. Gifts, the gift of time being that, you know, I know we are just, you know, the same as all our friends' families, so if you are making time to get together with us, I just can't even I really appreciate it, and I have a whole new appreciation. That's what I wanted to write about today, was that I have a whole new appreciation. I'm going to get some red ink. I have written in the past about gifts that people made for me growing up, things we did at university to have a bit of Christmassy fun before we all went our separate ways over the holidays. I've written about the first year that I was kind of, on my own as an adult, trying to figure out how and to whom to give Christmas presents when you're kind of working out how just to get through the day. Yeah, so today is a theme that can work really well for memory. If there's something that you want to talk about, it does not need to be something that's happening today, but likewise, it can be. That is one of the joys of this project, is that you can stick to the present, or you can mix up with memories of the past as much as you want. Do whatever is helpful and comfortable for you. Right, let's see. So I said I wasn't going to do like another big title. Does this count as a big title? I'm just going to do this. Happy gift. Yeah. Okay, so then there's going to be a photo there. And that's everything done. Let's see if the green is dry, I'll put a bit of gold on. Yep, it's dry. Let's put some gold on and then it'll be finished. Ooh, it's so pretty. There we go. Now it's done. Just a photo there once I've got some photos of the neighborhood. And that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you are having a great Monday. And I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.